Isn't this a lovely day where no new models are announced and we can just relax?
Absolutely. It's nice to take a break and just enjoy the moment. What are you planning to do today?
I'm just kidding, of course. Every day a new model is happening.
Haha, you got me. It does feel like there's always something new. What model are you most excited about?
All of them. Deepgram offers voice AI APIs that are incredibly accurate. I'm sure that if 200,000 AI builders are trusting them, not every single one of them is wrong. They've recently announced their Flux model, which is specialized for real-time voice agents, which is perfect for the Vision Agents SDK. So today, let's take a look at how to use Deepgram with Vision Agents. First, we will take a look at how to use it and configure it. Then we will see how to integrate it and then see the example in full glory. So let's get started. The first step, as always, is to install the plugin. We can do this using uv-add Vision Agents and put Deepgram into the brackets. Then we can initialize an object using deepgram.stt. This stands for speech to text object. But of course, that's not all. We can also customize it quite a bit with these parameters. The first is the API key. We can either set this in the initializer, or we can also add it to our environment file with the Deepgram API key name. If we add it to the environment file, we can omit it in the initializer. Then we can set the model. We need to ensure to only add models that are supported by v2 of the Deepgram SDK, and this defaults to the Flux General EN model. Then we can set the language, and for that we also need to check which languages are actually available for the model that we choose. I'll link the website where you can see this in the description. It defaults to auto-detect the language. Then we can set eager turn detection. While Flux has turn detection already built in, adding this on top is optional and it defaults to false. Then we can set the EOT threshold, which controls the turn and sensitivity. This means there's a faster reaction time when it detects a participant as they have finished speaking. Also, there's an eager EOT threshold, which in case you have eager turn detection turned on, we can control the same thing as the EOT threshold. These are the options to configure the STT object, but now we still need to integrate it into a full-blown app. For this, we need to first create an agent, then create a call where the agent lives, and then we can start the whole thing. So let's first start by creating an agent. We define a function called createAgent, and inside we, create this agent. The syntax is quite straightforward. First, we need to define an edge, which is where the agent logic will run. Then we need to define an agent user, and we can optionally give them instructions. We can also use a markdown file so that it looks cleaner. Then we can set the STT option. For us, this is going to be the deepgram.stt option. Here we could also add the parameters if we need them. For this to work, we also need to have an LLM that powers the entire thing. We will go with OpenAI, but also we can go with Gemini or XAI, whatever is supported by the SDK. And then we need an option to actually speak out the text that the LLM generated. And for that, we choose 11 labs in this example, but we can also go with any other one. Then we need to join a call. And for that, we define a join call function. We create a user from the agent, and then we create a call and join that call. And finally, we need to await for the agent to finish. The final step is to launch the agent, and for that we use the CLI that we get. We create an agent launcher and we hand in the create agent as well as the join call function. This is how to configure everything, so let's see how it looks in action. Hey, what a wonderful day this is, right?
Hey there, it really is a lovely day. What's making it so wonderful for you?
I am recording a wonderful video, and how about you?
That sounds exciting. I'm here to help and chat.
This is how easy it is to get started and to build with the Deepgram plugin for the Vision Agents SDK. I want to quickly note how easy it is to switch between different providers. So for example, if you want to use the Deepgram plugin together with a different LLM provider, we can just switch this out. Or if you want to use a different text-to-speech provider, we can also just change that and find the best configuration that we like. We hope that this gives you the freedom to build just the application that you want today. So check out the repository over on GitHub. Let us know what you think. Like this video and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy this and want to hear more. And happy coding. Bye bye.